Hey guys, welcome. Jay here, smarthelping.com. I got a nice template for side gig businesses and side hustles. This is to track revenues and expenses, savings, cash flow. Usually I do corporate financial models that are a bit more in depth, but here I just want to do a simple sheet. Uh, I've got some instructions here that are easy to follow, and then you can use this template to track your income and expenses over 12 months. Also get some visualizations, and you can roll up uh, or minimize so you can see totals easier like that. The main functionality, so you can change the year here in C4, so 2024 or 2022 or whatever the year is, and this is for tracking actuals. Whenever you want to make a new year, you can just right click the template tab, hit make a copy, click template, hit make create copy, okay, and then you could have one, okay, 2024, and then fill out the data for that, and then you could do that for every year. Also make sure when you get this, all of these yellow tabs or yellow cells are editable, and I'll zero these out, so when you get it, this will be a blank template for you to start filling out from scratch. Um, Pretty simple. You just got the months of the year going across the top. You enter the income you've made from all your different revenue sources each month. You've got your year-to-date totals over here that'll update as you update the data. For example, see the numbers updating if I only show, the first 3 months of the year. That's that data. You've got any refunds or chargebacks that happen, that's going to reduce off your revenue. Then you've got gross revenue. You've got all your expenses. I included 30 slots. That should be enough for most side gig hustles. You can put all your expenses here per month. You can see your net income before tax. And note you can include, if you've got some capital expenditures here and depreciable items that you're depreciating, you can enter the depreciation expense. And there is an item to add that back when we figure out cash flow and savings. But you have expenses here, net income before tax. I did a tax liability calculation based on just an estimated tax rate, and that's going to multiply if the total net income before tax is positive. Then that'll apply to this rate and divide by 12 and populate for each month automatically. So, let's say we put a big expense in here. You see how that adjusted the tax rate down. Uh, Taxes, net income after tax. You've got other items here, so adding back depreciation, adding any loan proceeds you might get for the business or your side gigs directly related to your business activity, not for personal use. Any principal payments which are not tax deductible, but you do need to account for that when you're figuring out your cash flow. Interest expense for business activities is deductible. Like if you're getting a loan out for to buy something that you're using for your side gig, that counts as deductible expenses off of the income from that side gig. So depreciation, loan proceeds, reduce any principal payments, reduce any capex or investments you make here, and then you've got your savings balance at the start of the year, and then you can track that over time as your cash flow adjusts. You can see your ending savings balance, total cash flow change for the year right there. Our charts, we have total revenue, we have net income after tax, we have cash flow, and we have your savings balance over time, which will all adjust as you change the numbers in the yellow cells. So this is a pretty broad use template. Anybody who's got a side gig, you're going to have income that, and you're going to try to offset that income with expenses that are directly related to the business, and it will vary depending on the side gig you're doing, but this is pretty robust template for nearly any use case I could think of. And if you want to get it, the link will be in the description box below to smarthelping.com. You can also, if you want to check out the site, this is where I list everything, and it's under the accounting tab. I'll put this template when it's finished, and I will put it under the trackers. It'll go down under here, and it's going to be labeled side gig, something like side gig P&L tracker or something like that. Um, okay, and if you want to check out more templates, I do financial models for all kinds of businesses, a lot of software as a service and recurring revenue models. This has a lot of complex things regarding retention, acquisition of customers, variable expenses, pricing tiers, all that kind of thing. I've got real estate models for underwriting commercial or residential investments in real estate with joint venture logic involved, GPLP distributions with all kinds of different hurdles, preferred equity, preferred returns, all kinds of stuff here. Industry specific financial models from everything. You got hydroponic farming, manufacturing, a gym, construction business, coffee shop, laundromat, plumbing, sports agency, trucking business, rental, ATM machines, all sorts of stuff here. Mobile home park investment, joint venture distribution waterfalls, general business valuation templates, accounting templates. This is where we're going to put this side gig P&L tracker and tax. Actually, it's really a cash flow planner because I involve taxes and cash flow. HR management tools and templates, Google Sheet trackers, sales pipeline dashboards, and KPI trackers, and all kinds of bundles here for lots of savings. You can see all template bundles. I've got a lot of savings. If you buy these in bulk, you're getting like 80 to 90% off the purchase price per template. And we've got all sorts here. And you can buy everything on the site. There's over 150 financial model templates here for $9.99. Alrighty, that's all I got for you on this one, and we'll catch you later.